Hey guys, how you doing? It's Judy and Mom.
Hello everybody, hello.
So I know a lot of you have been asking for another Sito's Kitchen segment. So it is her birthday tomorrow. As you can see, the flowers have been arriving, and I brought my camera just in case she wanted to do something, and it was her idea. So I said, hey, let's go. So, right?
Yeah.
Did you have a good Valentine's Day?
Very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And tomorrow, your birthday.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay.
How old are you going to be?
92.
Yeah! Oh my God. How honored I am to be here to do this with you,
Thank you,
Mom.
honey.
So today we're going to make a sort of like a casserole, but it's going to be, it's called Maldoum. Maldoum?
Maldoum, yeah.
Maldoum?
Maldoum, yeah.
Doom.
Doom, Maldoum, yeah.
Doom. Okay.
Doom, yeah.
Doom.
Doom.
Okay. So that consists of vegetables all lined up like a vegetable tian, if I'm saying that right. So in the old country, or when I was little, my mother would make this eggplant dish, and she would layer eggplant, potatoes, and tomatoes and onions, and then she'd put this beautiful sauce on top, and that's what we would have for dinner, and it was just wonderful. But this time I'm going to add some zucchini and squash to it, because I love that. So, and we're going to modernize it Judy's way. So I'm going to pan down here and show you the ingredients before we get started, so you know what we're going to do. Basically, we're just going to put in rows all this deliciousness. So I'm going to pan down and I'll show you how we make it. Okay, so in this pan, we have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And then we took an eggplant and we sliced it into thin half moons. Same thing with the onions. And we did some little circles for the zucchini and the summer squash. And we also did rounds of potatoes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the ground beef mixtures. And we're going to make them into little patties. And that will be what we line up with everything else. So into the ground beef, we got about 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, about a teaspoon of ground allspice, and probably like a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Again, to your taste, do what you like. If you like it salty, do that. That's fine. So we're going to put all that in there, and then we're going to mix it up. My hands are clean, and we're going to mix this up. Okay. So I've mixed this up, and you know, I was just telling Mom we should probably throw in some fresh parsley in here. So do you have any parsley? Let's do that. We're gonna add some parsley into this. I think that'll make it taste really good. And Mom always has a canister ready to go. So okay, there you go. Yeah, I love fresh parsley. My mother buys it in bunches and bunches and then dries it out herself. And so here we go with the meat. So now, to equal the other portions of the vegetables and everything, we're going to make these into about the same size patties as everything else. So make a little meatball and then pat it out. Doesn't have to be perfect, and that's how we're going to do them. Is that good?
Very good.
Okay. All right. So we're going to do that. I'll speed it up so you don't have to watch me do all this. Okay, so I've made little hamburg patties, and now we're going to start layering in and making like rows in here. So then the trick is to make sure that they stick, that they don't fall down. But in the end, you know,
yeah, you do it.
it's all going to come together and taste delicious anyway. So we'll do that. So we got,
Got the eggplant, no?
yep. So we got the squash, we got a zucchini, we got we got hamburg, we got that, we got tomato. So just keep on going until we fill this up.
Ja, but only tomato.
Yeah.
Come on, Bob.
Okay, so here is our Maldoum all set to go. And in here we have tomato paste that we put water in, and we're gonna just dribble it all over the meat and the vegetables. Okay, how's that, Molly? Good? A little bit more water? Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit more water. Okay. And that is pretty much it. You can like mush it around or whatever, and then this is gonna go in the 375-degree oven for about an hour. Right? And once it's done, we'll take it back out and show you what it looks like. So guys, we just took this out of the oven about 15 minutes ago, and all the vegetables are so moist and delicious. The meat is done perfectly, and I scooped out a little bit for myself. Mom, you wanna try it? You want me to do it?
Okay, you do it.
Okay, okay. Anyway, I'm gonna do that right now. It's delicious. The potatoes are done just right. Everything's pretty hot, but this house smells divine. And what we did was, with the leftover eggplant, we dipped them in some egg wash and then in some breadcrumbs, and then we just fried them with a little bit of oil in a frying pan. And then we have like a crispy eggplant to enjoy with our dinner. So let me turn the camera around and we'll say goodbye. So thank you everyone for watching and joining in, watching this Maldoum. And thank you, Mom, for a delicious recipe. And brings back a lot of great memories. And we'll enjoy having it tonight. And tomorrow's her birthday, 92. And
oh my gosh.
I know, oh my gosh, that means I'm getting older too. So we're definitely going to enjoy this meal tonight, and thank you all for joining us, and we will be back soon. If you have any requests, let us know, and we can see if we can figure it out.
Good years.
Have a good year. Love you. Bye.